To get started, you want to take your necklace or your bracelet and you want to get something that you're going to be able to wrap it around. So I'm going to use a board because I'm demonstrating a necklace here. But if you're doing a bracelet, you might need something a little bit smaller. So you want to put it, whatever your detail is, keep that in the centre. And then you want to flip it over like that. And then you need a couple of clips. So you can clip to one side of the board and then clip to the other. So to create your adjustable fastening, you need another piece of cord. Now I'm using a different colour just so it'll show it for contrast, but you can use the same colour if you want to. I usually do use the same colour. So you want to put this underneath here, underneath both the cords, and then match up the ends and then just pull it to find the centre. And then you want to hold this bit in place while you do your first square knot, just so that the cord doesn't move. So you want to go over, and then you want to go over here with this cord, and then push it through underneath both of these, and then just pull it out at the other side. And then remembering to keep your finger there until you've fastened your knot, you just want to pull it tight. And then you can do your square knots as you normally would do by going under, under and through, and then just pulling it tight. And then you can do a square knot again, just going over, over and through, and then completing it by going under and under and through. So you could just do 2 square knots if you wanted, but you can do a few more depending on whether you're doing a necklace or a bracelet. You might want to do a few less for a bracelet, but just keep doing your square knots until you've got as many as you want to create your fastening. So once you've got the amount of knots that you want, you can unclip from both sides of the board, and then you can just remove by just sliding it down like this. And then you just want to seal these tail ends here. So you just want to trim the ends off. And then I'm going to seal with a lighter, but you could use glue if you prefer, or if you're using something other than nylon. So you want to do this side and then do the same thing at the other side. And once you've sealed your square knots, you want to put a little knot at the end of each of your tail ends. And then just pull it as close to the end as you can. And again, you can trim and seal these if you wish. And once you've done one, do the same at the other side. And once you've done, you should end up with something that looks like this. So you can adjust your necklace or your bracelet just by pulling these. So you can pull it tight this way, and then you can pull this side to pull it loose. And because you've put knots in at either side, it should stop it from pulling the cord all the way through and undoing your fastening. And if you want, you could add a bead here as well, just for a bit of extra security.